Okay, off to Handmade Land. I have found some very beautiful rolling pins. They are wooden and very decorative, specific and unique. So if you're looking for a certain design, a certain pattern, they are going to have it. They have a huge page of rolling pins. And I was really like, wow, at first. I'm like, there's no way they have this many. And usually you go to like one of those stores, like I don't know, one of those, what, like a Bed Bath Beyond style. I don't even know if they're in business anymore, but yeah, those, and they'll have maybe two or three. But these, you've got cats, you've got dogs, you've got squares you can make, you've got all the different types of flowers. You can have roses, you can have poppies, daisies, Christmas styles, specific if you're looking for Christmas. Like I mentioned, cats and dogs. Here's some Halloween ones. That's why I'm going to mention also, this is almost like if you're going to be even doing a small business and you're going to sell your cookies to certain stores. You could just say, hey, that's what we do. We roll the pins, and there it is. There's your business. So, as long as your cookies taste good and people come back. We've got the honeybees. All these pretty little. This is a really nice one. Oh my gosh, rainforest. Go to rainforest, and of course, for these, they're just showing you the white cookie, the plain white cookie, like a sugar cookie. But you could use these for gingerbread. What else have we got? I have a lot of snoring dogs in the background. We have bricks, we have honeycomb, and they do not have to be limited to the size of cookie. Did you notice they're only showing you the rounds for this? Mostly, there's a little star there, but usually it's just the rounds. You can make them squares, you can make them, whatever size your cookie cutter is. And that could be part of your gimmick, your cookie cutter with this. And it's not AI, it really is a human being making these. So anyway, so we have what is that? Little paw prints, little paw hearts. These are look how professional those look. They probably have like a little jelly center. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Unbelievable. Were those little angels? Yes, they have little angels on that one. Oh my gosh, angels and with their trumpets. You can get all kinds of nature. There's a sea turtle. You can have dragonflies, butterflies, more dog bones. Oh my gosh, Halloween witches. Some of them are a little tiny. I will give them that. You can even use these for candies too. If you know how to make candies, there is a way that you can roll these across the top of candy and give it that effect. And these are all wooden. We've got Hanukkah, musical notes, squirrels, cannabis. I guess you can make cannabis cookies in certain states now, probably, and sell those. Oh, the knitting pattern is looks like a regular machine made, doesn't it? So you kind of don't want to go too exacting, you know what I'm saying? Oh, here we have poppy. We've got hearts. Those are beautiful. Little lovey-dovey hearts. What else? Cactus. There you go. If you're going to make some kind of weird cactus cookie, there's your cactus roller. We have the nativity scene for gingerbreads. Who else do we have here? We have the Easter. They've got the Easter bunny, wheats. And like I was mentioning earlier, the cookie cutter itself can really make a difference. with the design. So in a way, like if you were going to say, hey, I'm going to make the bunnies, maybe you'll have to think about your cookie cutter shape first. Maybe like an oval egg would be better to get 2 rabbits, and so you think about your cookie cutter shapes as well. Really pro, really pro. There's the kaleidoscope. What else do we have? The Irish clover knot. That's beautiful. That looks like a really good dip cookie, doesn't it? Both of these, wow, this one's fantastic. You see how it like holds its shape so precisely. And then after, would you just leave it like this? These are so intricate, these cookies. I would almost think that you want to have some kind of a nice glaze on them somehow. And you could make it a colorful glaze. There's so many food glazes now, or food dyes that are natural. You can put like berries or whatever. So real food, but in the glaze, and that you could still see the design underneath. Or even use the design to decorate and put like little dollops on each one, little somethings. Really pretty, really pretty. So these are like professional. These are setting you up for a business even. Or just fun. Let's just say you just wanted to have fun. I just wanted to make Christmas cookies, nothing else. Nothing. I don't want to go into business. Okay. And yeah, so that kind with if you get one with the whole, like the donut one, those look really cute. Huh? Make the donut shape. So and here's the squares. And of course you can probably use these for cracker dough. And they're not mentioning cracker dough, but they're not even mentioning the cookie dough. But I would think about cracker dough as well. When I saw the squares, I was thinking about those. Or biscotti. I don't know, biscotti is a little different, isn't it? It's kind of heavy. But you might be able to roll it on the top of a biscotti. Oh, look how pretty. My gosh. Gorgeous cookies. Make your own vegan Cheez-Its. It's hysterical. And yeah, you could show up in a store, a major grocery store, and sell them. Say, hey, this is my new gig. People, if they look pro, people will start buying them. I know that the Whole Foods, they have like their little case there, and you can people buy and sell their cookies. So there you go. You've got some sunflowers, beautiful sunflowers. You've got some, even the sea from the oceans. A zebra pattern, and of course a little home sweet home village. It's all there. So whatever you like. You could set yourself up in a business, couldn't you? Look at that one. Good heavens. Good heavens. That's like a decadent cookie, isn't it? All right. I guess you're getting the hint that they make a lot of patterns. And, well, it doesn't have to just be for cookies. Perhaps you can do it for the top layer of bread and then lay that over another layer, more like a cinnamon roll effect, but on the outside. So yeah, you could use it for the whole thing as the outer. Anyway, great designs. Very, very cool. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that.